Hello you gorgeous people of the internet. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a very exciting double unboxing. I've done it again. I've got the wrong blooming glasses on. Where are they? Right, double unboxing time. We have got Lancome, we have got Pandora, but before I get into those, if you're new to my channel, my name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then why don't you go ahead and join us here. Hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out, and don't forget to show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to start off with that Lancome, and this was more, or this isn't like an experimental unboxing or anything. Well, it kind of is, but it kind of isn't, because I ran out of my eye moisturiser and my face moisturiser, and as you know, I've been loving the Hydra. Now, it's near the end of May. We've just had a massive hailstorm outside and now the sun's come out, but it's still really, really cloudy. But at some point, it is going to get sunny and warmer. And I don't like, at the best of times, having really thick face cream or moisturiser on. So they do a Hydra gel. So this is the Hydra gel cream. When I spoke to my lovely, lovely Lancome lady last time I was there, she said, try this out in the summer. Well, we're close to summer, so I thought I'd buy it and give it a go. We'll open that in a second. Actually, let's open it now and pop a little bit on my hand and see what it's like. I literally had run out of moisturiser and I was just using any little bits that I found lying around. That sounds really bad, but like little tester pots. So it's in the same kind of Hydra pot, but this time it's kind of frosted. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Do excuse my finger. I was trying to sort out my cuticles earlier, and I cut my finger, so I've got a little plaster on it because it wouldn't stop bleeding. Oh, it smells lovely. That's what the cream looks like. It looks like the normal cream, but it does look lighter and a little bit more gel-like, which would be appropriate. So let's oh, that's lovely. That's really cooling as well. You're not, I mean, there's nothing to see. There is literally nothing to see there, but it smells divine. And the lady who served me said, this is best from the fridge. To which I replied, well, that's not going to happen because my fridge is downstairs and I will either forget entirely to moisturise my face or think, oh, my moisturiser's downstairs, have I got a tester somewhere up here so I can slap it on before I go about my day. Wait for the sirens to pass, wait for the sirens to pass. So that's not going to happen. I'm not going to keep it in the fridge, but it felt really nice and cooling just as it was. I suspect that is going to be an absolute winner. And the other thing I picked up is my Hydra eye cream. And I've showed you it before. It comes in this little pump action bottle, which is really nice to use. But the problem is you can't see when you're nearly out. So I did it a couple of days ago and it went and did that sort of lots of air thing that it does when it gets close to the bottom of the pump action. So I thought I'd better get another one because it could run out any day now, and even though I've got a backup of another brand, I didn't want to run out of this one because I do love it. I love it so. I think it's absolutely fabulous. And you might say, but Gwenny, that's a rather large bag for those two items. And that's because in my local John Lewis, they were running a promotion. Spend £75 and get some freebies. So let's have a look at what's in here. We've got a tester of the Bifacile eye makeup remover. I really, really like this. You can see it's kind of 2 layers of liquid. Give it a bit of a shake and then off you go. I really, 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 really like this. There's a tester of the Advanced Genifique Serum. I've had a lot of these testers and it feels really nice, but I didn't really notice it doing anything. So it's not something that I purchased, but I do like using it. We've got a little box here with Génifique You. So that is eye, light pearl. Let's open it up. That's what it is, and it says it's an eye and lash concentrate. So that'll be interesting to try out. A little tester, and this is of the It Knows mascara, which is what I am currently wearing. And I absolutely love it. We have this large bottle of micellar water. Now, I don't know if any of you use a micellar water. To be honest, it's not something I ever considered, but it's free. I'm going to give it a go. And the last two pieces are these. So the freebie gift set had everything that I've shown you already is the same, and then you had the options. I asked her to recommend which would be best for my skin for me to try out, and she said, yeah, they'd both be pretty good. And then she said, you know what, we'll give you the more expensive one to try out because it's free, why not? This is the Absolu, and it is the crème fondante soft cream with Grand Rose extract. So yes, this is a... Oh right, okay. I thought this was a night cream and a day cream. This is a soft cream. It's very super reflective. So that is a soft cream. And this is a rich cream. I don't see anything on the packet saying that this one in particular is for day and this one in particular is for night, so I guess it's going to be a slap it on and find out kind of situation. So that's my luxury skincare, and now we'll move on to my Pandora. If you haven't already seen it, I will link my Pandora charm bracelet video in the description, and I completely forgot about these because they're not on the big silver chain, but I do have two other Pandora bracelets that hubby bought for me. One of them is this double wrap black leather braided leather bracelet. The other one is this pale pink leather braided double wrap bracelet, and I do actually have a charm on this one. I didn't have a charm on the other one because the charms annoyed me a little bit. So this charm is a lovely little sort of diamante encrusted heart with a little pink heartstone set in it. So I kept the heart on the pink one instead of putting it on here because I didn't want to mix my colours and stuff like that, but really I don't mind about that, so I'm probably going to move it over. I quite like these leather ones just on their own. As a teenager I used to wear like leather shoelaces, kind of Aha Morton Harkett style around my wrist, so that kind of reminds me a little bit of being a teenager. If you were a big Aha fan as I was, you have to check out Aha's acoustic set from MTV. I will link it below and it will make you cry, be warned. So those are my existing Pandora pieces. What's in here? La 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Let's put that down. Ooh, what have we got in here? So hubby watched my Pandora video, and then a couple of days later we went into town and we ended up in Pandora. And yes, we bought, or he bought me another Pandora snake charm bracelet. Now this one is a little bit different. It's got the heart clasp on it instead of the barrel clasp, which is what I currently have. And they were running a promotion where you could get the bracelet and two charms from a selection for £90, I think it was, or £99. I will have the details linked below, which was basically getting one of these charms for free. Now I chose to go for not charms but clips. And the reason I did that is as I move some of my charms over from this bracelet to the other bracelet, I didn't want them kind of falling around the place and getting too close to the actual opening because it gets a bit difficult on this one. It's so full. Here's the barrel opening, and this charm here especially keeps on threading itself on there, so it actually makes it quite difficult to open with so much stuff crowding it, and then you run the risk of this just twisting and falling off. So I wanted to keep everything clipped away nicely. On these bobbly divider sections of the bracelet, I already have 2 clips on those on this one, so I went for one, which is this one, which is it's just got a little bit of a line of diamantes in it. That clips onto the little thready bit, and then this one is like a free moving one. It's got like a little silicone piece in the middle, so you can clip it on anywhere and it won't move, she said, unless you absolutely force it around. Otherwise it'll stay, yeah, it'll stay put. So I am going to have a little play now moving my bracelets around, and then I'm going to show you what they look like. I've done it! I've done it! I've moved some of my charms over to the new bracelet. This is the new bracelet with the heart-shaped clasp on it. The heart-shaped clasp with, it's got Pandora written on it on that side, and then on the other side it's just got like an O stamped into it. And what I decided to do was, for this new one with the hearts, I'm putting my nearest and dearest. Our honeymoon, Izzy Cat, hubby, heart with an arrow through it, me, the kittens, the babies, you've got a little spacer there, and then the heart with the diamante hearts with the little pink heart stone in there, and then the other pieces I've got still on here. So there they are on that side, empty, little bit of space reclaimed. So on this one it's more than just the in between the 2 thread points, so I'm using the clippy one with the silicone to keep, so it goes to about here. That's where the other one of these is. So I've got the clip there holding them together, so these ones aren't moving. These ones, however, that's one clip and that's the other clip, they're being clipped in place, but these bits here are moving around and that G keeps trying to thread itself. This is the end that has the actual barrel clasp on it, so they're not going to fall off by accident or anything, but it's still going to annoy me a little bit. So I might get a couple more of those silicone clasp ones. I think those are a really, really good idea. Oh, let me know what you think of my new additions. Let me know what you think of choosing the heart clasp. I think it was very, very cute, very pretty. So there you go, that's my double luxury unboxing. Let me know what you think of these products. Let me know if you use any of the Lancome products. Let me know if you're new to Lancome. Let me know if you have tried some Lancome products after the last time I showed you some Lancome stuff. Just talk to me in the comments section. Let's have a chat. I do hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do show it there. It's not working quite so well today. Love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe. Really, don't cut yourself when you're trying to sort your nails and your cuticles out. Don't do it. It hurts and it bleeds, so don't do it. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!